Warm greetings to everyone. So this is the case study about the introduction to building material. So what is given in this topic? So how your dream house should be. So even though you are not a civil student, you should know about. So you may have some dream about your house. So if you want to construct a house, so you should know some basic things. So there are so many types of materials we are using in constructing the building. So each and every person will have their own dream. So after completing their school studies, they'll go to some college and they will complete some degree. After completion of degree, so they'll get a job. So after that, they want to settle in their life. So they will build a house. So that means you may have some dream about your house. So if you are seeing that so many types of buildings are there, so you can see one by one. So this is the reinforced concrete building, and this is the wooden building, and this is the steel. So this building is made up of steel, and this is the stone. So there are so many types of materials are there other than this. Just I am showing some examples on this. So here you can see this, the materials what they are used are different. Here they were used steel, concrete, and some part of wooden work. Here they were used only wood, that is a timber. And here you can see this. So here all the frames are made up of steel, and they were used some wooden works. So here you can see totally the material which is used is stone, and there may be some mortar. So if you have a dream, okay, so for an example, if you want to construct a building by using a wood, so without having any idea about this wood or material, what are the materials which are available in the market, you may not do the estimation. So each and every person will have their some level. Okay, so some person may construct their house with some 10 lakhs or 20 lakhs. So it may be up to crores. So depends upon our budget. So we have to plan a house. So and there may be some 2 or 4 family members may be there. Sometimes you may have some joint family. So in that the members in the family may be more than 10 or like that. So in that time the room sizes will be varied. So before finalizing your rooms and the size of the building, so you should buy the land. So for each and everything you should know what are the materials which are available in market, so which are affordable for us or not. So for that we are going to see about what are the building materials which are available in the market. So we will see by seeing this video.
Everybody who wishes to settle in their life dream of building their own home. An average person spends half of his earnings in building his own house. In this process, some succeed while others do not. This is due to the cost of construction, especially in buying construction materials. Selecting the right construction materials is one of the toughest tasks of a construction engineer. Hence, he or she has to know the classification, performance and economics of the building materials. Only by being aware of this, an engineer can use the construction materials in a sustainable manner. As a future engineer, Are you ready to learn about this? Come on, let us dive in to learn the common building materials in detail. Building materials are the materials that are used to construct any civil structure. With the help of these materials, several civil structures are constructed such as buildings, dams, skyscrapers, towers, etc. These building materials are broadly classified into two main categories. They are natural building materials and artificial building materials. First, let us learn about natural building materials. The building materials that are available naturally are known as natural building materials. Some of the common examples are mud, stone, sand, wood, leaves, lime, and fibers. Mud. In the early stages, when people started to build houses, mud was one of the first materials they preferred. People used the mud along with cow dung and chopped straw to build the walls of their houses. Still, this concept of construction is used in the wall cladding and flooring of modern construction. Moreover, the combination of mud and cement provides excellent durability to the finishing surface. Another important construction material is stone. It is in use since ancient times. It is widely used in different components of a building such as walls, floors, foundations, roofs, etc. Usually, stones are obtained from natural quarries and are processed to put into use. Some of the stones commonly used today are granite, marble, sandstone, limestone, etc. Sand. With the effect of rock disintegration, small grains of silica are produced subsequently to form sand. The source of sand for construction is usually pits and rivers. Sand is used to create many building materials such as concrete, mortars, plasters, etc. Wood. Nature's most abundant material, wood, is one of the most important building materials in all periods. The main source of wood are deodar, teak, and bamboo trees. People use the wood mainly for the construction of windows, doors, ceiling, roofing, etc. Leaves. With the help of the leaves, people construct a temporary roof structure in their houses. Palm, palmyra, and coconut trees are the major source of leaves for construction. Lime. Due to its various benefits, lime is nicknamed as nature's cement. From ancient ages, lime has been used in various constructions such as palaces, monuments, temples, bridges, etc. Though lime got replaced by cement in most of the areas, it continued to serve in areas that were economically weak. In building constructions, they are used as a damp-proofing material in floors and roofs. Since ancient days, various types of fibers have been used in construction. Some of the major sources are coconut husk, jute fiber, banana leaves, etc. Some of the commonly used fibers in building construction are coir fiber, sisal fiber, bamboo fiber, etc. The main uses of fibers are they arrest the growth of cracks when used in reinforced cement concrete. They are also used to improve the soil properties. Performance and economics of natural building materials. Most of the natural building materials have a good durability due to their natural origin. Apart from that, they are easily accessible to repair and maintain a stable temperature irrespective of the seasons. Since such materials are naturally available, natural building materials are very cheap when compared to the artificial building materials. But they soon started becoming extinct, which paved the way for mankind to invent artificial building materials. Now, let us discuss about the artificial building materials. The materials that undergo human processing are known as artificial building materials or man-made materials. Some of the examples are cement, brick, tiles, glass, metal, plastics, etc. Let us now discuss them one by one. Cement. Cement is widely used in constructions today for its strength and durability. It has the ability to bind together with loose particles such as gravel and broken stones. One of the main features of cement is its quick setting properties, which in turn made it the most famous building material. They are used in the construction of literally all the civil structures. Bricks. Another most extensively used material, brick is made up of kiln-fired materials like clay. Good insulation property against sound and heat is the most important quality of brick. Moreover, we can attain several shapes and sizes in bricks through molding. Tiles. Tiles are produced using hard-wearing materials like ceramics. Based on the application, the tiles are classified into two types. They are common tiles and encaustic tiles. Tiles that are used for paving, flooring and roofing are common tiles, whereas the tiles that are used for decorative purposes is known as encaustic tiles. Some of the examples of tiles are roof tiles, pot tiles and floor tiles. Glass. Glass is manufactured by heating soda, lime and sand. Glass is widely used as a construction material for glazing doors and windows in the form of tempered glass. Tempered glass is produced by heating a glass plate followed by a sudden cooling process. Moreover, glass is further used for soundproof partitions. Metal. One of the important backbones of all the construction products is metal and its sub-products. Metal is used as a construction material in two forms, which are ferrous metals and non-ferrous metals. Ferrous metals consist of iron and steel, while the non-ferrous metals consist of aluminium, copper and zinc. The most generic example is steel rods, which is commonly used in reinforced cement concrete. Aluminium is used along with glass in facade type of constructions, which we commonly see in all the modern skyscrapers. Plastics. We can say plastic is the most important versatile material in today's constructions. Based on the requirements, plastics are available in various forms such as switchboard, tap and domestic furniture. Performance and economics of artificial building materials. Most of the artificial building materials have a good sensitivity as they are designed manually. Some materials like cement and metals have good durability with shear strength. Also, they can be molded to any shape as per the needs. When compared to natural materials, they are little expensive and require proper knowledge before buying and putting it into use. Some of the factors to be considered while selecting the building materials are utility, durability, availability, ease of maintenance and cost. Summary.
So now in this video, we have seen that what are the building materials which are available. It may be a natural material or it may be an artificial material. So now I think you came to know about what are the materials which are using in construction of any building. So these are all the normal used material. So beyond this, we are using some material for upgrading our building. So these are all the basic material. So we have seen how the building material behaves. That is a natural material, how they behaving, and the artificial material, how it is behaving. So due to the degradation of natural material, now we are mostly using the artificial material. So that artificial material we are not using the natural material for making the artificial materials. Nowadays we are using the industrial byproducts. To reduce the pollution, we are using the industrial byproducts for making the artificial material. So thank you for watching this video.